Welcome to my channel, Sacred Greenery. Today I want to celebrate with you my visit in Spain. I come every year to visit my sister, her husband and her son. And they, like me, are passionate gardeners. I want to share with you what they have created here. And of course, gardening here is so different from Ireland. The heat here, the dry conditions, what plants will thrive? And in my opinion, they have been really successful. Beautiful view is the exit from the kitchen. Previously, this area was an ugly concrete area, and look at the lovely textures and materials now. And further in the background, it was a dry bank where they found great difficulty getting plants established. So they put a membrane down, gravel over the membrane, and then preparing very good soil condition for the plants and watering them in well. They have found that the combination of the gravel and the membrane is holding the moisture and keeping the roots of the plants cool. And they're thriving much better. This is a view of the front patio area. Now, not alone do they have a lot of restoration to do on the house itself, but this part of the garden, some old dying pine trees had to be cut down, the grass wasn't growing, there were very few plants in this area, and look what they have achieved. My sister Sheila, who won't come on the camera, in my opinion, she's a natural, excellent garden designer. She has an eye for choosing interesting plants. She's brilliant at placing them to create really good, interesting foreground, middle ground and background in the landscape. And she also puts a lot of time and effort into researching the plants will do well in these Spanish hot dry conditions, or in the state of Valencia. I've really enjoyed creating this video today. It is a very special thanks to my sister Sheila, who won't come on the camera, her husband, their son and Max. This home and garden sanctuary is a testimony of hard work, dedication, passion, with great results. And at the end of the video, I have also added the list of plants that they have used to create this beautiful garden.